Woo, good afternoon. Yep, still hot. Had to turn the fans off. This is my best friend right here. Had to turn my fans off because it makes so much noise that y'all can't hear a word I say. So, let y'all know what I'm doing today. Boxing up everything that I ceramic coated yesterday. And I'm gonna be doing that most of the day. Well, the living room's already full, actually. I've been doing it most of the day. Now we're in the middle of the day, and I thought, you know what, I better give them an update on what's going on around here, and then they'll know. So I'm fighting off flies because the doors are open and there's a mulberry tree right outside, and you wouldn't believe it, but all those berries laying on the ground, there are flies everywhere. They must love mulberries. But you know what? There's also birds everywhere. They've been all over the place. Beautiful birds, all the little pretty birds there eating the mulberries right off the tree. Oh, I've been working and watching them. Squirrels too. Heck, last night I went out there and I saw a possum. A possum was up in the tree and I was watching him and he was like, "Arr," eating those mulberries. I was like, this is the cutest thing. He was a little possum. I bet his little body wasn't about that long and his tail was about that long. So his total, you know, he was about a foot long, total. Little bitty thing. Cute as could be. Well, actually ugly as could be, but you know how ugly things are cute sometimes. I think that's how my wife picked me up. But anyway, today, doing final box up and assembly on some different products. This is a Crusher Series exhaust. This is one of the most popular exhausts I have right now for the RT or the F3 Touring. I can't build these fast enough. No joke. Got a waiting list right now, and it's a pretty good one. So, a pretty good one indeed, and it keeps getting bigger every day. Now, you know, I have to do little things to make things line up here. You know, that's tricks of the trade, right? Let me get over here where I get some actual up on that. To line up that Allen screw with that head, sometimes you have to manipulate it a little, just the smallest amount, you know, but yeah. So, what I'm doing right now is I'm installing these Crusher Series end caps. I think this is probably what makes this product so cool, you know. These end caps, man. The guy that I work with, he actually, the company's called Shark Road. They build exhausts for Harleys. And I've contacted Steve directly, and I'm actually, they're selling me these tips, you know, for my company. These are the tips for their company, but he sells me just the tips. He's seen what I'm doing with them, and he likes it, and he's like, heck yeah, you know. So it makes their company money, it makes me money, and it makes y'all happy. These are some cool tips. And he's got some other options too. He's got quite a few different options. I have one other option in-house right now, and I don't have it on the table. I surely wish I did, because you know how I don't do editing in my videos anymore, because that just takes time that I don't have because I'm busy working for you guys. Yeah. So, got to do a final check and tighten on all these screws. Got to be very careful in this process. You don't want to scratch anything. I mean, it's ready to go. If you scratch it right now, oh my goodness. And you know it's happened before. I've scratched the mess out of it. Clumsy me. And yeah, things happen. Things happen. Just like I was telling you about the things happening yesterday. But the Crusher Series, guys. Yeah, fantastic looking exhaust. And it sounds pretty good too. On your F3 Touring or your RT bike, you know, it's something different. I try to step out of the box and build all my products a little bit different than maybe the next guy. So, Crusher Series. Next, get a box and let's get it in the box. So, but today, what's expected? Right now, I have to do that right there, put those tips on 3 more exhausts and box them up. And then I have a Punisher series for a rocker over here on the rack as well, and have to box it up. And I think that's going to put me, because I had two polished ones, I think I'm shipping out 18 exhausts today. So my wife is, excuse that ridiculously loud tape. That's why I do this out in the shop now, because it is just, when I start going, it doesn't stop for a while. But all these that I'm boxing up, they will ship out by this evening. UPS will pick up today, and these will be getting out. And then I'll be starting to do my welding on some of Pierre's exhaust here. It looks like I got 24 exhausts on the floor already cut and prepped and ready to go into welding. So I'm hoping within the next couple of hours I've at least started, and I'm gonna make an effort to get some of these crushers here that are on the floor welded up today. When I say on the floor here, let's give you an idea what I'm talking about. Yeah, there's as you see, I'm getting ready. I've got quite a little workload there that I'm fixing to bust off on, and this camera's out of control and it will not do what I want it to. So back to, I don't edit. Hey, 1776. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking in. This is where we're at. This is what we're doing today. 4 more of these crushers in the box. 1 Punisher series. Once they're in the living room, it's to the welding. And I'm gonna hang on here until around 5:30. Then I'm gonna spend some time with the family. And then back at 10 o'clock. And hey y'all guys. I haven't actually done anything nice today to anyone or for anyone. My wife isn't even here. She's out with her mother. But you know how I like to do things for people and be nice and promote niceness. So, hey, today, if you can, find it in your heart. Recognize someone that takes care of you. That's what my wife's doing right now. She's recognizing her mother and she's taking her out. She's treating her to something. I don't know what it is. They're out shopping. Mom, hey, you got a mom that's there for you. Because a lot of moms ain't there for their kids, and I'll tell you about that for real. You got a mom that takes care of you, or has. Don't forget her. Don't forget her just because it's not Mother's Day. You know what I'm saying? Hey, holler at her. Wish I could holler at my grandma right now, because she was always there for me. Always there. So, appreciate who you have in your life, and treat them like there is no tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Man, I'm just gonna give my wife a big old hug when she gets home. You know what I'm saying? I got the best wife in the world, and I know it. So, hey, y'all, thanks again for tuning in. I got to get this in this box and get moving forward. I enjoy doing these little videos. Again, no editing. I'm not going to put any tags in the front, any tags in the back, any of this or that. It's not about that for me anymore. I thought I was going to try to be a YouTuber for about 2 weeks. And then I said, you know what? I'm an exhaust builder. I'm a fabricator. I'm just who I am. And I ain't got time to spend too much time on the YouTube world. So I'm going to use this as a check-in, let y'all know what's going on here, and that way y'all can follow me very closely and progression of your product. Say you buy something, you might see it in the video on the floor. You know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, that's mine. I just ordered it. He's talking about it. You know. So, hey, again, thank y'all all for purchasing my products, backing my little company, talking about me. Anything that you're doing that's positive for me, much appreciated. Much appreciated. And you guys, if you're on the waiting list, I'm working as fast as I can. But I'll contact you as soon as I can, and we'll get you taken care of as well. Hey, but meantime, look at rlsexhaust.com. See what there isn't available. Sorry. As soon as I get caught up, it'll all be available. But check me out. on the website, rlsexhaust.com. You know, I've got a Facebook, which I never even do anything with, but it's there. Hey, appreciate y'all's time. Appreciate all the positive energy that I'm constantly getting on YouTube and Facebook. Y'all have a great day, and if you're riding, ride safe. You know, if you're swimming, keep your head up. You know what I'm saying? But hey, make the best of every day. All right, it could be the last, right? All right, let's check out on that one. Y'all have a good day.